Hello gang, it's Pat again from Pat and Laura's Travels. Hey, today I'm going to be walking you through basically how to pack a 40-liter bag for 7 days worth of clothes. Stay tuned. Okay, so one of the things that's going to make this possible is doing clothes rolling. So it's basically taking clothes, rolling them into a really tight rolled up package so that there's as minimal amount of airspace in the packing crates. So here's how we do a pair of underwear. So basically you take the top and roll it over by about 2 inches or so from the waistband. Okay, fold it over twice, and then roll real tight from the bottom up, back up over the waistband, and then take and unroll the waistband back around the top. Okay, so you have a really kind of tight package there, and we'll do that 6 more times. All right, so socks, basically you'll roll them by the pair. So this is how it works, is you'll stack one sock a little offset from the other one. So maybe an inch or so up from the toe. You'll start from the bottom sock and start rolling. You roll them together all the way up to the top, and then you just basically wrap that around both set of socks. And there you go. All right. All right, next I'm going to show you how to do a shirt. So similar to the underwear, you basically kind of roll up the bottom a couple inches. Okay, like that. Make sure it's about the same on the back. Okay. For short sleeves, it's fairly easy. Just fold in the sleeve. What you're wanting to do is make sure it's straight from the bottom to the top. Fold that in. You're going to fold to the middle. Fold to the middle again. And then it's easier if you turn this around so that the fold is at the top. And then just roll as tight as you can up to the top, up over that roll, and then you're going to unroll it around like that. Okay. Okay, so with a long sleeve shirt, it's real similar to the short sleeve. So you just fold up from the bottom like you would any other. Make sure your fold's even. Okay. Now the difference is with a long sleeve, you want to fold these in towards the center and then fold them down so that you're not going past the center line. Okay, so the other one, I'm going to kind of match that and then fold that away. All right, fold to the middle, fold to the middle. Dogs are going crazy there. All right, and then roll from the bottom up. There we go. Fold the flaps over. There you have it. Okay, so shorts are just like underwear. The one thing that I did learn when I was doing board shorts like these, if you've got a a tie on it, go ahead and tie it up so that you don't have too much elasticity up here. You want that to be tight enough to hold the bundle once it's rolled up. So with these, you're probably going to need about 3 inches of overlap at the top to tuck everything into. So make sure it's about the same on the back. All right, make your folds, and roll real tight up over the waistband, and then roll the waistband around to hold it all together. All right, and that's that.
We will arise and
okay, pants are a little bit different than shorts. You still start with the fold over there at the top. Make sure that you give yourself about 3 to 4 inches. It looks a little awkward at first with pockets and stuff popping out like that, but that's what you want, is make sure that you've got about 4 inches folded over. Okay, make it even on the front as well. You can tuck those pockets back in if you like. All right, so do that. All right, next thing that you want to do is slightly overlap in the center. Okay, now you're going to do a fold into the center and a fold into the center. Do not overlap at the top. You want those just to come together, not to overlap. Okay, and then start your roll from the bottom, again, as tight as you can. Roll that up past the waistband. And then basically you're going to take and roll that over. Roll that over. There you go. Now if you've got a belt, you put a belt around that and it doesn't take up any additional space. Okay, so next you're probably wondering how it all fits together. We got these packing cubes by Shack Pack. I really like them. They got really heavy duty zippers. You can see through the mesh so you know what's in there without having to break into it. So first I'm gonna go through these. My toiletries bag, just the basic stuff. I got my toothbrush, my shaver, my medicines, toothpaste, etc., you name it. So that's that one. So basically I just kind of leave this one packed. So it's already ready. So we'll just zip it up. The nice thing about these too is that they all have these little handles. So if you were to take that into the shower, you could hang it over the door or what have you. And that's a nice little tight kit. So, all right, so that's taken care of. Let's go ahead and start with our biggest first, and that is pants and shorts. So what I like to do is inside the largest one here, we'll go ahead and put our toiletries kit and then pack around it. So got blue jeans, a pair of khakis, okay, a few pairs of shorts here. Okay. I know it all fits. Tried it. All right, and there's my belt, like I was telling you earlier. Go ahead and pack that in here. All right, so everything should fit in there. Zip that up. Like I said, these zippers are fairly heavy duty. They got a nice pull on them as well. Just have to make sure that you don't zip anything in the zipper. All right, so that's the biggest one, okay? Next we'll do our shirts, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a t-shirt. That all fits in there, fairly nice. That's that. Okay. And last but not least, the underwear. All right. Socks. Put those in the middle. And we're done. Okay, so just a reminder, we are using the Osprey Farpoint 40. This is a 40-liter bag. This is for men. There's also a Osprey Fairview 40 that's more shaped for women and everything. A little bit shorter in the back, and the way that the waist straps fit is a little bit different. So, but this they're basically the same bag, same hold the same amount. So we're going to unzip this clamshell, all right, and open it up. Undo the compression straps. All right. So one of the other things that we really liked about the Shack Pack is that it comes with a laundry bag. So for now, we're starting fresh. There's nothing in there. I'm going to put that into the top, and that'll be for our laundry as things get dirty. Zip that up. All right. So let's see if it all fits. So we'll take our biggest one first and put it in the bottom. Okay. All right. Next, we'll put that in there. Now it looks like it's a lot. We've done this before. And that one on top. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect our compression straps here. Tighten these up a little bit. On the front and the back. Uh-oh, I lost it here. There it is. There it is. All right. Tighten that down as much as you can. Help with the zippers. All right, we'll fold that back over. All right. It's tight. I'm not going to say that it's not, but there is 7 days worth of clothes in there. All right. Those meet right there in the middle. Got room for my laptop in here. All right. Zip that up. One of the things that we really liked about this bag is it does have the security lock there where both zippers come together. So we can put our security travel lock on there. Not going to do that right now, but you can. And then you've got these external things for shoes or whatnot on the outside. And then one of the things that I thought we would do is carry a water bottle with us. If we wanted to, so that you didn't have to worry about buying bottled water over in Europe. So I can just hook that onto anything on the outside here. So I could do it to one of my flip-flops or one of these external straps or what have you. So there you have it.